Okay, so how to create a Wordle word map from Google search term data that looks something like this. Let's start with Google. Go into the keyword generator tool, and let's say we're interested in data, marketing, and analytics. And we want to know what people are searching for in that space. All right, let's get some keyword ideas. This is going to take a few seconds. We sorted by global monthly search volume. And now we can see what are the most important search terms in that category: data, marketing, and analytics. Now let's take these, download them for Excel, and I'm just going to switch to something that I prepared earlier. In Excel, what we now need to do is, first of all, to get rid of a few columns. We don't need to know about advertiser competition for Wordle. We also don't want to look at the local search volume, so we're just going to delete that. Done. We don't need the headers either, get rid of those. But we need a separator, so we have to add another column, and the separator is a colon. Okay, now we're going to put the colon into all lines. Got a bit too far. Try again. Alright, there's the colon. And now what we also need to do, so that Wordle doesn't separate search terms with more than one word, we need to connect them. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace all spaces with a plus sign and replace all. Done. Okay, close this here. Now what we want to do is we're going to copy all this, control copy, and we're going to paste it into Wordle. So we're actually going to go to Wordle.net Advanced, and the only thing we now have to do is copy and paste the data in here and hit go. And Wordle visualizes for us the search term data according to the search volume. Now, I don't really like the color, so we're just going to change this on a black background. I don't really like the font. I also don't like the way this is arranged. So let's say we want mostly horizontal, and you can see how the top search terms like marketing and data are skewing everything. So let's just remove those to make it a bit more visually appeasing. Let's get rid of analytics as well. And I don't really like the arrangement, so I'm just going to relay out this for a few times until I'm happy with it. And that's it. A nice visual representation of the most important search terms in the data, marketing, and analytics category.